Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we have an issue with my kitchen sink. So this is an undermount sink right here, and the silicone over here under here just separated. I'm holding the sink with this piece of wood for now. That's the project for today, is to reinstall the sink and secure it. One thing about the sink, it does not have any bracket or anything, any clips that's holding it. The only thing that's holding this kitchen sink up was the silicone, and now that gave way. We're going to put some new silicone and also put in some new brackets to secure it. So here we go, as you can see right there how it is separated. There's a big gap over here. We're going to take it off and work on this. First thing we're gonna do is take out the plumbing. Before I do that, I'm gonna shut off the water. So now that we've taken the silicone out from the bottom out here, we've cleaned the silicone from also the tub. Now we're going to put new silicone on the tub and put it back up here. Here. Lift it up. Yeah. Okay. Hold 1 foot. We added silicone to the lip of the sink. We squeeze it up here. For now, I'm using my jack stand to prop the sink up, and we will leave it for 24 hours to cure. Everything looks fine. Now we're going to wait for it to cure. This is holding the wood up. Yeah, that's about it. And we'll wait until 24 hours. Okay, so it's the following morning now, and I'm pretty impressed with this suction cup. It has held up well. It's actually holding it really tight, and it's been almost I'd say 20 hours now. And so this is actually how it looked, and still the suction cup hasn't lost its suction over here. As for the bottom, but over time the jack stand would just leak a little bit, and it would stop. It would not touch this wood. It would actually come down a little bit. So I replaced it with a 2x4. Now that this has been sitting here for quite a while, I'm going to take everything out, and I will be installing this bracket out here, and it's going to be sitting right here. I'll have this mount sitting up here. Once I install this, I will show what it looks like. The other side. Still held so strong. So there was a break in the plumbing out here. There's a big crack right here, all the way down. So because of that, I had to replace the entire plumbing. This is, of course, was unexpected. So I just installed a new one. I had to just glue all of these together, just get some new parts. But right now there's no leaks. That's it, done for now. So this is a also a bracket. This bracket holds the will hold the sink up. So after I install this, I will show you. I'm going to install 4 of them, 2 coming up this way, 2 coming up this way, and that'll be holding up the sink. Do I need it? Maybe not, because I already have a bracket out here. So I just want to make sure it never separates again. Okay, so the final installation is done. Just all it needs is 4 screws out here. It goes up and holds on to the lip of the second one's right over there. Same with over here. This might be easier to see. There's one, and there's the other. 2 on this side, 2 on this side, and it pushes the thing up. So now this one is not going anywhere. On top of that, we have a second brace over here. So, and that is all for the installation. If you have a setup something similar to this, go under your sink, like an undermount sink like this. Go under your sink, see if you have any clips or if you have any brackets. If you don't, I'd suggest you install one, just so that you avoid the sink from falling. If I'd done this before, I would never have to go through the whole process. But it is what it is. It fell down, I had to put this bracket. I will leave the link in the description for the 2 types of brackets. One is this one, and one is this one right here. This one I think is better, obviously, because it actually pushes the sink up. It is going to save you a lot of headaches later. That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.